Yes.
Just to change the tone a little bit, the governor,
you're having fun.
the first protests of the budget season are taking place outside. Have you poked your head out at any point? Have you listened to what they've been talking about?
No, I mean, could you bring me up to speed? I haven't.
Well, they've been taking issue primarily with the social service cuts, the kinship program, and that sort of thing.
Well, you know, it's pretty interesting. I've been very pleased with the NAMI, the National Association for the Mentally Ill. You know, they like what we've done. I mean, there's always improvements that can be made. I think the child advocates have endorsed it. I think we've done a very good job in terms of our efforts to protect, you know, the weakest among us. And look, we're going to find as we go through this process, that's why the chairman's here, we're going to find out there's probably some places where we have some gaps. You know, one of the things that we did is protect, you know, all the people who are currently on child care. They get to keep their child care. I think we've done a good job. I mean, I was very excited to be, you know, to get such favorable comments from like I say, child advocacy groups. You know, the groups that represent the mentally ill. I mentioned it this morning at the Gaggle. I mean, I think we have a lot of work to do with the mentally ill. And I don't know whether you all know this, Reggie, I don't think, and Joe, none of you were there this morning. Look, we drew down $33 million, unprecedented way. This is money that had been left on the table because we got the ADAM boards together in a very short period of time. They were able to come up with $8 million. We actually drew down $36 million, 33 of which will go to ODATIS, which will then be spread throughout the state to help people who have mental illness, help people with addiction, to get them treatment and be able to get them back to work. I mean, this is a very significant thing to grab that money. I was very worried that money would disappear, that it would lapse or somebody would take it away. But I hope you all realize at this point that when it comes to the developmentally disabled, the mentally ill, the addicted, I mean, this is an administration. Look, I'm telling you honestly, I want to help there. And I think, you know, our war on opiates is gaining some traction. I'm very disturbed with what I see as too slow of action by the medical board, and I made that clear this morning. But I think John Martin has been a terrific member of the cabinet. He, as you know, is working on the developmentally disabled. We have a cabinet meeting on Friday, and he talked about some internal issues that need to be resolved. But I think we have done it's not me, it's these people I put together, both from mental health and ODATIS and Michael Colbert at Jobs and Family Services. I think we've done a very good job in protecting the weakest among us, and frankly, I think it's been recognized. And I compliment the press for their commentary in a lot of these programs. I think our Medicaid program, which is a program for the poor, you know, a lot of people would just have gone and just gotten rid of things like dental coverage. Well, we didn't do that. You know, we have a program that's making reductions to physicians and hospitals, but, you know, in a way where they say, we see where you're going. We actually have a game plan. Tim Penny's from Minnesota. The country's always admired what they have done in healthcare in Minnesota. Tim, with the program we're doing by integrating mental health and physical health, with being able to rebalance long-term care, with having care coordinators. We're making sure that the Children's Hospitals buy into the program that Greg has to have them integrated with care coordinated for our children. I think it's really a budget that in some ways can be a model for other states. So God bless them. I like anybody who wants to stand up for the disabled, for children, but I think we've done a pretty good job at this. Thank you all very much.